Thank you for watching Long Island Heating and Cooling. I'm working on one of the gas furnace REAM unit. I came in 2 days ago and I troubleshooting this unit and I find out the blower motor is bad. So what I did that actually the blower motor is on the warranty. So to get this motor it take me 2 days. So what I did actually, I'm gonna talk about a little bit about troubleshooting and talk about a little bit about ECM motor, because this blower motor is ECM motor. It's not the regular motor that used to have. Now every motor is coming ECM motor. So this I'm gonna talk about a little bit. ECM motor is one of the is good motor, but it's not the regular motor that you can just check the power and check the shaft and it just go. It's not like that. It's a little bit more into it. So pretty much the ECM motor continuously having high voltage, and then you have low voltage. The low voltage is is telling the motor to run, when it to stop, and what is speed to run pretty much. So when you do the troubleshooting about blower motor, you have to make sure that it's not the control board. So you have to, every time you do troubleshooting, make sure you check the control board, check the blower motor, check all this wiring, and just to make sure it is the ECM motor or is the board. So this case I did the troubleshooting. I check the high voltage, and from the board is giving high voltage. Then I check the low voltage. The board is giving low voltage signal to the motor, but motor was not running. So I did another test just to get confirmed that is the motor. So I took it out. This heating side of it is in the board coming out from the motor. I forgot what color it is, but it was the color that go to the heating side of it in the control board. So I give direct power to it just to see if it does run, just to give another just to get myself really more comfortable, just to see if it's the blower motor. So when I give the power, it's not the blower motor, it's not running. So I took it out. Actually I found out the blower motor is bad. So what I did, I called a supply house, and they told me like it's gonna take me 2 days to get this motor. So I went today actually get it, and I came to replace this motor. So when you change the blower motor, sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's really hard, because blower motor attached to this blower wheel, and sometimes it's really hard to take the motor out from the blower wheel, because before you do this, make sure take it out before blower motor. You have to lubricate that, just spray some kind of oil. They have this oil that I use. So you put this oil, make sure that put a lot, and then sometimes you have to sand it out. There's the shaft, there's a part, if you can see it, the long kind of like a pan. So you just kind of sand it out really good, and then spray some more those oil, and then they have a nut that you take it out, and then sometimes easily you take it out, sometimes you have to need a hammer to heat it up a couple times and come up. Some of the motor I have an issue, like old motor, have a lot of junk and a lot of rust and stuff like that. Those are really hard to take it out. Sometime I have a really hard time, but this motor was really easier, because it's kind of 2-3 years ago somebody installed it. It's not that old, so it was a lot easier to take it out. So whenever you take it out, just make sure the wire you have to put it back. I kind of know which wire going where, but if you're new, or if you try to do yourself, or whatever, so make sure you take a picture of all the wire that you took it out, take a video and everything. So make sure you're not gonna mix up the wire. If you do mixed up, it could burn the motor, it can burn the transformer, or it can short it out the board. So then it's not worth it. It's gonna cost more money to do, just change this. So you have to be careful, and every time you work on those, make sure you turn it off. They have a door switch, make sure you turn it off the door switch, and then turn it off the power. So just be careful if you try to replace yourself, but you always call professional the HVAC technician like us, and we are really appreciated. And thank you for watching Long Island Heating and Cooling. We're always here to help you.